In this video, I'll show you how to create automation flows in What's Automate and use them to automatically respond to customer inquiries. Let's get started. First, go to the automation section and start creating a new flow. Give your flow a name, then save your progress so you don't lose any changes. Next, add the send message action. This is where the conversation with your customers begins. Now let's use GPT to help us create high converting messages. Describe the services you're offering and let GPT generate professional and engaging responses for you. Once the messages are ready, simply copy and paste them into your message action. This message will act as a welcome message whenever someone sends you an inquiry. Next, let's add some conditions based on common customer questions or frequently asked questions. This allows you to guide users automatically based on what they ask. You can also use button messages, which help improve engagement and often lead to higher conversions. Buttons make it easier for users to select options instead of typing. Now, add a specific action for users who ask about pricing. This ensures that pricing related inquiries receive the correct response every time. While connecting the nodes, make sure to deselect any action or simply click on the background. This helps avoid incorrect connections between steps. At any point, you can transfer the chat to a human agent or an AI agent. This allows the system to automatically respond to customer questions or hand the conversation over when needed. Once everything is set up, click the Save button to secure your flow. Finally, go to the WA Chatbot section and activate this flow. Your automation is now live and ready to handle customer inquiries automatically. That's it. You've successfully created and activated an automation flow in What's Automate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.